Hi, I'm Francis Bontempo. I've got a PhD in machine learning and background in teaching. I've coded in C++ for years. I know many people who used to use C++ but got left behind by recent updates to the standard. This motivated me to write a short book to help people get back up to speed with some recent changes. Let me tell you about my book. It starts with containers and algorithms, gradually building up and learning a variety of different useful features on the way. You'll get started with numbers in vectors, learning about ranges and lambdas too. You'll use the chrono library to build a countdown, create your own class to make a car game. You'll even get to race your way out of a paper bag randomly. If you previously used some C++ but not managed to keep up, then this book is for you. So get your copy today and hope you enjoy my book.